To begin, position the basin where the fountain is going to be installed and ensure that the ground is level. Place the pump in the basin and drape the pump cord through the channel in the back. Once this is done, carefully place the water feature onto the back of the basin. We suggest using some kind of cover, such as the burlap used here, so as to avoid scratches and chips on your fountain while you're placing this piece. Insert both pieces of rebar into the PVC standpipes at the top of the water feature. And then fit the fountain cap onto the top of that water feature. Using a small amount of silicone around the end of the spiller spout, slowly twist this piece into the water feature. Then assemble the rest of the pump kit. Using the appropriate size adapter that is provided, connect the black non-kink tubing end to the pump outlet and use a hose clamp to secure it. Next, insert the CPVC end into the coupling on the bottom of the water feature. Once the pump is properly assembled and attached to the fountain, insert the provided drainage plug into the drainage hole at the front of the basin and twist the nut until it is tightened. Place the pump cover over the pump and tubing and you are finished your fountain assembly. Let the fountain sit for 24 hours before filling it with water and then enjoy your new Campagna garden decor.